When geologists talk about a volcanogenic massive sulphide, or VMS deposit, they're talking about one of nature's most efficient ways of concentrating valuable metals. Millions of years ago, hot, mineral-rich fluids circulated through the seafloor around underwater volcanoes. As those fluids cooled, they deposited layers of sulphide minerals that could contain copper, zinc, lead, silver, and sometimes gold. Many of the world's most important base metal mines are VMS deposits because they can contain multiple valuable metals in a single system. So why do investors pay attention to them? Because when geologists identify the right rocks, the right geological structures, and the right geophysical signatures, it can suggest the ingredients for a much larger mineralized system. The next step is drilling to determine whether those ingredients have actually come together to form an economic deposit. At Panther Metals' Obonga project, the company has identified VMS-style targets as part of its broader exploration work. Current efforts are focused on building a clearer understanding of the geology and testing these targets through field programs and drilling. Whether you're a geologist or an investor, understanding deposit models like VMS helps explain why some exploration projects generate so much scientific and commercial interest.